and in today's video, we'll reminisce about our trip to the city of Carmo da Cachoeira in Minas Gerais. Optimized video reminiscing about moments. The full video is on the channel. Watch all the videos and learn more. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel.
Upon entering the city, I was surprised by the bucolic and welcoming atmosphere that hovered in the air. The Praca Central, where simplicity and beauty came together in perfect harmony. After a peaceful walk, I decided to explore the natural wealth that surrounds the city. I reached an exuberant trail that took me to majestic waterfalls hidden among the exuberant forest. The crystalline water falls with force, creating a relaxing and inviting melody. An invigorating bath in its cool waters was inevitable. The following day, with my heart full of good memories, I said goodbye to Carmo da Cachoeira. It gave me unforgettable moments, showing that beauty lies both in natural landscapes and in people and their culture. Let's move forward, carrying good memories.
Thank you so much. Bye.